Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing great and are being safe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some smart and clever tips that I use to decorate my home. All these tips are renter friendly and budget friendly. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video friends. So the first tip that I want to give you guys is to install pendant or ceiling lights. So this is a space in my living room. I'm just going to show you guys what different it makes when we install a pendant light. So pendant light actually makes the spaces perfectly lit, and you can see how beautiful the space is looking after we switch on the pendant lights, and it makes a complete difference in the night view. It's not necessary that we need to spend so much for this pendant lights. The lights that you guys saw here are my DIY, which I made using jute rope, fevicol and balloons. It's one of the famous DIY that is available on YouTube. So I just saw the instructions and I just followed it, and it came out to be so beautiful. And the pendant light can be used in as many corners as you need. If you need that corner to be perfectly lit, then you can use these pendant lights. They are perfect for reading nooks and dining spaces. I prefer using warm white LED bulbs for the pendant lights because they create that beautiful ambience that is needed for a home. And I have this passage area which leads to my kitchen and one of my bedroom, which gets absolutely zero sunlight. So here I have installed a pendant light with white LED bulb. So I thought the space would look bright because of the white light. If you guys have no false ceiling lights, then I would suggest you guys to give it a try to these pendant lights. So here comes the next tip. Change the look of your furniture. If you cannot change your furniture, then you can change the look of your furniture. So this was my living space last year, but now this is how my living space is looking. So you can see changing those cushions and cushion covers has really made a lot of difference to my living space. It has actually lightened it down and gave a rich feel to my living space is what I feel. All the details about the transformation that I have done to my living space are available in my living room tour. The link to my living room tour video will be in the description box below. Do check out guys. If you cannot change the sofa upholstery, then you can go ahead and change the throw cushions and give a different look to your sofa in the living space. I don't prefer using a throw cloths on sofas because it's not practical with kids around. So my dining table is really very compact. To give it a new look, what I did was I got these covers stitched for them. I customized those covers and I got this runner from Amazon. The covers and the runner has given a totally different look to my dining space. I recently shared a video on my dining area makeover. I'll give the link to it in the description box below. You guys can check it out. So here comes the next tip. Paint your furniture. If you don't want to discard your old furniture or you want to give a new look to your old furniture, then you can go ahead and paint them. So you can see I have painted my center table in distress way, and distress paintings are either like wow or what. Some people just love it, some people doesn't love it. So if you guys like distress painting like mine, you can check out distress painting techniques which I shared on my channel. There are a lot of videos on it. I even painted my temple in this manner. I just use acrylic paintings here. I did not do distress painting. Even shared a video on my temple makeover, but actually, to be frank, I did not like the output, and hence I changed it and I painted it this way. And you can see we can paint our own furnitures just like the store bought ones. You just need to know some techniques. If you want to know distress painting techniques, I have given some links in my description box below. You guys can check it out. So here comes the important tip. Use long curtains for your doors and windows. So this tip has actually changed the look of my entire living space and my bedrooms is what I would say. So using those long curtains for your windows and doors is going to make that whole difference to your home. And these curtains are actually from Shoppers Fortune and most of you loved it, and this is from Amazon, and the one which is at the center can block sunlight, whereas the ones which I got from Amazon doesn't have a lining and they do not block sunlight. So you can see I have used full length curtains for smaller windows too. This can add an elegant and formal touch to your spaces. So the floor length curtains will elongate your window and make your room feel taller. Since they don't quite touch the floor, the curtains hang perfectly straight. So this is how I decorated my bedroom for last Diwali. The video is there on my YouTube channel if you guys want to check out. I stay in a 2-bedroom apartment, so I prefer to use long curtains for both my bedrooms. Try this tip out. I'm sure you guys are going to absolutely love this one. So next tip is to use some rugs or carpets. A rug can effortlessly transform any room. Not only a rug can change the look and mood of a room, they also have some practical benefits like reducing noise. So when it comes to home decor, rugs are really very versatile. They can brighten a dark room. Changing your rug and throw cushions can change the color theme of your entire room. Rugs or carpets or the colorful mats like this can enhance your decor. And rugs can cover those imperfections on the flooring, and rugs are a most important part of my decor. And this is my favorite tip, that is to use plants as home decor. Decorating with plants not only adds that pop of color to your decor but also serves to clean the air in your home. Indoor plants eliminate toxins from the air, improving our home air quality. They are energizing for the mind by lowering our stress levels and encouraging a deeper sleep. As the saying goes, plants make people happy. So why not giving plant decorating a chance? But mostly when we are planning for a new home or for a renovation, we never consider decorating with plants. Why? Because of two reasons. People are not aware of many amazing ways we can decorate with plants and enhance our rooms, and people have the misconception that plants require too much time and maintenance. But plants doesn't require most of your time. There are some low maintenance plants which you can initially give a try. I'm also a learner. I'm learning a lot of things about plant care because when I get a new home, I want to invest a lot of time and money in decorating my home with plants. Recently shared a video on corner decorating ideas. The link to it will be in the description box below. So the next step to enhance your rental homes is to use wallpaper or wall stickers. I haven't used wallpaper in my home. I have used these tile type wall stickers on my wooden paneling and it has changed the look of my living space is what I would say. When most of you thought those were tiles, and I have used a small portion of a sticker on my kitchen tiles as you can see, and it looks good as well. It is not necessary that we need to spend a lot of money to decorate our home. You can create those simple DIYs to enhance your look of your home. So you can see I have used a lot of DIYs in my home decor. You can see a DIY kettle painting, and you can see the sun painting on vegetable cutting board, and these are spray painted glass bottles. If you guys are good at painting, you can paint and display your art as home decor. Recycling projects are the best home decors. You can recycle those glass bottles or plastic bottles, or you can use the waste cardboards or the trunk, as I have done here, and have created a decorative corner in my space using these DIYs. If you guys are bad at painting, then I would suggest you guys to try decoupage and use those techniques to decorate your home. And here comes the next tip. Use floor lamps or table lamps. Floor lamps can enhance the intimacy of a room and provide lighting to specific seating or task areas by making them more functional. They can have a strong effect on the mood and the overall style of a room. Floor lamps or table lamps are generally placed in a spot which you want to highlight or a place which has poor lighting. It definitely acts as a decor or statement piece in your living room. Don't we all love those hotel rooms, especially for those lightings, and it's because of those floor lamps and pendant lights and the false ceiling lights. So I wanted to create such ambience in my home, and that is when I decided to use floor lamps and table lamps to enhance the beauty of my home. So this tip is actually a game changer for your home. This is my favorite, or you can say most favorite tip, that is to set up a small garden space for yourself. My balcony is really very small. It is a multifunctional balcony where we have placed washing machine and two AC outdoor units, as you guys can see, but still I have managed to decorate my balcony with some plants. Decorating your balconies can be challenging in those high-rise buildings, so I have tried my best to decorate my space. So you can see I have two AC outdoor units. The one AC outdoor unit had to be fit in the top, but the space was not sufficient, so I have used some tiles and I have placed plants for propagation over there. The black stand that you guys see here is that of my extra bed. I have placed my bed on the loft and placed the stand over here. These are the ideas that I have used to decorate my home. I hope these ideas are useful for you guys as well. If you guys found this video useful, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the ting bell icon. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends. Stay home, stay safe.